Hi friends, it's Amber and I am here to announce this super fun hop that I'm going to be participating in. It is an edible gift ideas hop, holiday edition. So how fun does that sound? I was so lucky to be invited into this hop again by the sweet and talented and wonderful Carolina from Carolina's Creations Handmade. Her channel is amazing. If you haven't seen her latest videos, you've got to go check them out. She's got some really fun Christmas videos going on her channel, and she's invited me to participate in this hop that she's hosting. So there's going to be also a couple of other ladies involved, and the first one is Josie at Life at 50 and Beyond, and Josie is the Dollar Tree queen. She is the master of Dollar Tree DIYs. She has the most creative, incredible ideas, and they will just blow your mind. And so she is super talented. And if you don't know her channel already, I really recommend you go over and subscribe. And then we have Tamika. We all know and love Tamika. She is amazing. She is honestly one of the first crafters that I started watching when I started YouTube, and I just fell in love with all her ideas. I've done Tamika inspired videos on my channel where she just does projects that are just so creative and inspiring, and she is over at Scrap the World. So if you guys have not seen her channel, please go over and subscribe because she's amazing. And so I'm so excited to be involved in this fun hop. Thank you so much to Carolina for hosting it. And I'm going to be going over the rules really fast because there are some giveaways. So it's really easy to enter. You're going to be watching our videos anyways if you love crafting, and I hope that you will come and join us. And it's going to be December 8th, this coming up Saturday at 10 o'clock Eastern time. So I'm in Arizona, so it's going to be 8 o'clock my time, but that's the time we're going to all release our videos, so you can just go over and check them out, get some inspiration for Christmas gifts. And I'm going to go ahead and go over all the rules and guidelines. So first of all, each channel will be giving away a $40 gift certificate hosted by Carolina. So generous of her. And it's going to be to an online craft store of your choice. So the only one that's excluded that we really know of right now is AliExpress. So just make sure you're 18 years or older, of course, and that you are subscribed to all 4 of our channels. Super easy, right? And then just like and leave a comment on all videos. That's so easy, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. And personally, for me, I'm going to be giving away 2 prizes of the items that I make on my video. So my prizes are going to be for US only because they are going to be physical items that I ship. So, but the gift card giveaway is open to international and US subscribers. So I hope that you guys will check this out coming up Saturday morning. I know that I am super excited to share the project that I'm going to be making for this. And I am very much looking forward to seeing what the other 3 ladies are creating. So again, it's going to be 10 a.m. this Saturday, December 8th, and I hope to see you there. Bye.